We are studying chapter number 1 of geography or environment. In previous period we learnt about importance of natural environment and its impact. Our today's topic is why should we protect our environment. So environment is very important for us, and for this we should have to protect this environment. Environment is necessary to support us. It provides us with various necessities of life, such as air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and land to live. Not only this, it provides us different natural resources like plants, wood, fuel, minerals, and energy. All our industrial activities depend upon different raw materials provided by the natural resources. So, environment fulfill our necessities. Environment is necessary to support us. Environment is necessary to support life. Without environment, human being, plants, animals, no one can survive. And for this environment, we have to protect environment, because environment provide us various necessities of life. Now you tell me which are necessities of life. So air, water, food, and land. So environment provide us air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and land to live. Not only this necessity, but environment provide us different natural resources. Now what is natural resources? Natural resources means such as plant, wood, fuel, minerals, and energy. These all things provided by nature, provided by environment. And whatever industrial activities happen, this for these industrial activities we need different raw materials. These different raw materials also provided by the natural resources. Hence, we should do nothing to play havoc with our natural resources by recklessly exploiting it and thereby damaging the environment. If we use too much of these natural resources recklessly, means without care. If we use these natural resources without care, and if we use it too much, so we are exploiting this environment, and whatever damage will happen with this environment, we cannot return it. And we should not do nothing to play havoc, and we should not to play with environment. Irrational use of our natural resources like forest pastures, farm, and minerals, etc., would harm us to such as extent that no reform measures later on would do anything to repair the loss already done. So whatever resources are like a forest, pastures means meadow, farms, and minerals, so if we use it too much, so it would harm, and it would harm us also. And because these natural resources, if we use it too much, so whatever loss will happen, we cannot repair it anytime. Not only we, but our coming generation should be put a great loss, and not only for us, but whatever our coming generation will come, so for them also it will be a great loss. Hence, we should be very careful in using our natural resources and be very particular in protecting our environment. And that's why we should be very careful in using these natural resources. If one time it will finish, so the natural resources if we use it too much, means whatever loss is happening, we can't repair it again. Okay, so because it is natural resources, and that's why we should be very careful in using these natural resources. and be very particular in protecting our environment, and we should protect this environment. See one more time, environment provide us our necessary necessities of life such as air, water, food and land. Not only necessity, but environment provide us different natural resources like plant, wood, fuel, minerals and energy. Whatever our industrial activities are happening, there's a need of different raw materials. These different raw materials also provided by natural resources. If we used too much of these natural resources by recklessly, means without care, so we are exploiting this environment, and if we exploiting it, it will damage our environment and irrational use. And if we use these natural resources too much, such as forest patches, means meadow, farm and minerals, so it would harm to our environment, and it would harm to ourselves also. And because it whatever loss will happen because of this exploitation, this can never repair. And whatever, not only for us but whatever our coming generation, whatever our generation will come, or for our coming generation also, it will be through a great loss. And that's why we should be very careful while using these natural resources, and we have to be very particular in protecting our environment. In tomorrow's period, we will study how do the human influence the environment.